me get more. Let me get more. More pets.
That's a scam. That's a scam. That's a scam.
How do you know?
It's 1, and they're hardcore too. How much is there? There's 3 left for. Okay, everyone here gets 1.
I'm really horrible at the game. I took a whole year to get.
Damn,
to
who keeps on restocking them?
I know.
How much does this guy have?
Probably 100.
Wait, is he hacking?
Ah,
How do you like put them all at once?
you can do it. It's easy. Thank you for that 1 gem though. Like,
He's just making one gem.
purchase failed. What?
Yeah. How much are they worth?
I don't know.
A gem?
No, they're not worth a gem. That's all I know. Oh, more. Damn, bro.
How much does he even have?
How much does this guy have? Oh my gosh, it's so much.
I'm wondering where he got them all.
Loki kind of stacked. True.
Oh, he's trading. I have a full team now. Wait, I need more. I need more. I need more. Why do you keep getting in trades?
Question. Does anyone know what I should sell the Super Corgi for?
A
what?
billion gems.
I don't know what to sell.
a good
How
one
much
is-
to sell it for?
A
Wait,
good
how much
one
do I
is
sell it for?
the really
Give me
Oh, can I
more.
like buy one,
offered
please?
is 100 bill. I mean
Give
100.
me
Thank
more.
you. Oh my god!
Bro, you still have more?
Oh,
Looks like it.
Okay.
We're kind of bankrupting him.
This guy is like stacked on these.
I actually want my Super Corgi. I'm gonna sell
I
something
think this is
else.
why he's trying to give them
Oh,
all away.
100 million is like a
Yeah.
lot over profit, but a lot of people.
I think
have
he's
What do I
AFK
sell a
for
party
me.
cat for?
Probably like 20.
I'm gonna make a golden one. I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get lots of them.
Yeah, bro.
Am I not like buying them anymore? Oh my god, I still am.
Nah, bro.
How much
There's
gems
so
do you
much.
have?
Little 200.
I have a lot. I don't know how much.
I only have 250 million.
I can help you if you need more.
Like I sold like 5 helicopter cats for 20 million.
I know
You're
some
saying I could sell an
excuses go
exclusive
for
just that?
250 million.
That's not worth
Yeah.
it.
Nah, helicopter.
That is not worth it.
Bad.
Do you have a huge pet?
Alright.
No.
What's a hellish axolotl
I need more
worth?
pets.
Probably
More
like
pets.
fucking.
I don't even have one each pet. I've been trying to get one for ages. I can't.
I don't get these.
Are you OG?
for
I don't know really, but I have somewhat good
I am.
stuff. How much good pets you
Let me
have?
get more. I need more.
Those dudes
I
selling so many helicopter cats just for
I know.
one.
This
I
guy
need
is like the
more.
beast.
I think he's an army.
Why is the dude selling freaking all this
I think he's getting the train.
don't
for
know.
one diamond? Why do you do this? Why
I don't
and
know.
how?
Because it's probably. I don't know actually.
What the shit?
I
Look
have
at this
lots of-
guy.
I got lots of them now.
There's so much people crowding now that this guy's like making money a minute.
I think this is how he makes money.
Yeah, this is probably actually a somewhat funny way to make money. Just starts people crowding over your stand. I made like $0 on gems at my stand. This guy's probably making so much.
I think the entire server's here.
Yeah,
I can't even.
I
click
think he
on
just
these
wants to get
things
rid of them.
because they.
He's a hardcore too.
These are really good.
How much? Oh my god, I have so much. Oh my god.
Bruh. What is this dude doing? Why is he selling so much?
I don't know, but it's non-stop, bro. Legit.
Oh, 250 mil? That's actually quite good.
Holy crap. They just went like 5 in 1 second. This guy,
I got you a
Bro, these are way
hardcore
worth
helicopter
more
cat.
than a diamond. You're stupid for selling them for 1 diamond.
That is true.
And he's making a big profit, but still, he's kind of stupid.
Yeah, 1 diamond. He probably
I
just wants to get rid
could
of them.
sell like one of these for like what, 50 mil?
Probably.
Something like that, maybe even more.
My
this dude
god,
make
there's so much people buying it.
Bro, why is everyone just here?
I don't know, like the entire lobby's here. I can actually make a profit out of this.
Oh, I got another one. Another one.
Another one. Oh, damn it.
Bruh.
Okay,
What are you doing? Why are you selling all of these for 1 diamond?
Oh, Jesus! I think this is the last
But I think he has no more.
I'm trying to buy all of them.
Everyone
I
move
think
it.
I don't think he has any more.
I think it. Oh my god!
Nah, dude, it's just nice. Oh,
My guy never
my.
runs out.
This guy's a
My guy
beast.
never runs out.
This guy does not run out.
Dear God, where does he get them all?